Pinalagan ng Armed Forces of the Philippines ang paninisi ng China sa Philippine Coast Guard. Teritoryo namin ang Ayungin Shoal. Hindi kami obligadong magpaalam sa China kung papasok kami dito. Diretsahan niyang sinupalpal ni AFP spokesperson Aguilar ang sinabing propaganda ng China. Tinatawag kasi ng China na illegal ang panibagong resupply mission ng Pilipinas. At wala daw pahintulot ang Pilipinas na magsagawa ng resupply mission sa kanilang teritoryo na tinatawag nilang Rain and Rip. Dito binatikos nga ng sobra-sobra ng AFP ang bagong kasinungalingan ng China.
What we do in our own backyard is not of their concern. So why coordinate with them in the first place? Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa kanina, China Coast Guard is a misplaced bully in the West Philippine Sea, in our maritime zone. Now, the video that you saw from different sources, the narration of Commodore Tariela, you just compare it with their narrative. Probably that message was not meant for us because we know the truth, but probably it is for the people they are trying to fool, according to him, domestic. So I think that's my answer to that. They have no business in interfering in what we do in our maritime zone.
As you all know, the latest RORE mission of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, supported by the Philippine Coast Guard, to BRP Sierra Madre, LS-57 was successful yesterday. However, there were harassment, dangerous maneuvers, and aggressive conduct by vessels of the China Coast Guard and the Chinese maritime militia against our public vessels during a routine and regular operation well within the nation's exclusive economic zone. The National Task Force West Philippine Sea reiterate and reemphasize that these operations are pursuant to our legitimate exercise of our admin functions and jurisdiction over the West Philippine Sea, firmly anchored on the UN Convention of the Law of the Sea and the final and binding 2016 Arbitral Award. Ang sabi po ng China Coast Guard kahapon, they were conducting law enforcement operations di umano sa Ayungin Shoal. The National Task Force West Philippine Sea wishes to emphasize that China has no authority or power to conduct law enforcement operations in our exclusive economic zone. The only entity or authority that has the power to do so is the Philippine government. In fact, it is the power of the Philippine Coast Guard and to a certain extent, the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Law enforcement operations in the exclusive economic zone is within the purview of elements of the Philippine government. And that is why mali po yung sinabi ng China Coast Guard. Again, we strongly deplore and condemn the continued illegal, aggressive, and destabilizing conduct of the CCG and CMM within the nation's exclusive economic zone.